We've all seen those videos of people making music with stepper motors. It maps MIDI to the frequency that the motor is spinning and plays a melody. But I've never seen anyone actually print something while it's playing music. So I made a proof of concept. It plays the Zelda theme in monotone while it prints a Triforce. This is kind of crappy because it's an old printer, but it works. The only catch is that you have to have an old printer. Even the stock Ender 3s now have silent chops, so if you try and do this on a new Ender 3, it won't work, or pretty much any new 3D printer. But if you have an old crappy 3D printer lying around, old printer bot, old Ender 3, maybe an old Prusa, this should work. The link is in my description.